Vivo Y35. Regain sufficient power in 15 minutes or 70% of power in 34 minutes with 44-watt flash charge and have its power consumption regulated by the Vivo Energy Guardian. Now you can strike battery worries off the list. Keep anxiety at bay with a bigger battery of 5,000 mAh that lasts longer without power-saving technology. It even comes with reverse charging for your other devices. Go ahead and switch smoothly between active apps as the extended RAM 3.0 converts 8 GB of idle space into additional RAM. No lag, no slowing down. Keep all your favorite things with 256 GB of generous space that's equivalent to 1,592 episodes of TV series. Or add up to 1 TB of space with a triple card slot design. With Qualcomm's latest octa-core Snapdragon 680 6nm platform, be amazed with strong performance designed to exceed its predecessor in handling multiple apps smoothly, easily, and without lag. The updated audio booster for outstanding audio. Enjoy the freedom of going above your default max volume in the audio booster mode. Enhance your audio by up to 72 dB for greater clarity, even in noisy settings. With Multi-Turbo 5.5, eliminate lag caused by active apps as its algorithm intelligently optimizes power to increase smoothness and stability, especially when you're gaming. With Ultra Game Mode, play and feel like a pro with customized audio effects and various features that keep you focused on the game. With 6.58 inches FHD Plus display, screen brightness reach up to 550 nits under direct sunlight. Enjoy clear, wide, and immersive visuals with unrivaled viewing comfort. It's also super responsive and filters harmful blue light. It also has 90 Hz display for smoother viewing experience. Benefit from a durable and tested body that can withstand extreme temperatures, sweat corrosion, scratches, and constant USB usage. 2.5D curvature in trendy colors. Get style and substance through a classy design of 8.28 millimeters in thickness and 188 grams in weight, which makes the phone comfortable to hold. It comes in 2 colors, agate black and dawn gold, and these colors are resistant to scratches and fingerprints. Side fingerprint and face wake. Unlock effortlessly in 0.24 seconds with a power button that comes with the fingerprint scanner, or simply unlock with a look-through face wake. 50 megapixel main camera with a large sensor. Get professional looking shots full of vivid details even at night with a large light gathering sensor and industry leading high definition capabilities. Capture the night's beauty in just a tap with soft light that adjusts to every condition. No more flash, no more uneven skin tone. Deliver accurate and sophisticated portraits with more life and depth through the 2 megapixel bokeh camera. Discover tiny but exciting worlds full of beauty that are hidden in plain sight with a focus that draws as close as 4 centimeters. We hope you enjoyed today's show. Like the video, press the bell icon for upcoming video notifications, and enjoy next video of ours.